In this video, I will tell you about tips how to make money with Facebook. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links for products on your Facebook page and earn a commission for any resulting sales. Offering services. Offer your skills or services, such as social media management or graphic design, to businesses or individuals looking for help with their Facebook presence. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored content on your Facebook page. Facebook ads. Create and run ads on Facebook, earning money for each click or impression. Creating a Facebook group. Create a group related to a niche or interest and charge membership fees or sell advertising space to brands. Selling products. Use Facebook to promote and sell your own products or services. Crowdfunding. Use Facebook to promote a crowdfunding campaign for a project or business idea. Facebook Live. Use Facebook Live to host paid webinars, classes, or events. It's important to note that making money through Facebook requires a consistent effort and a strong following. Building an engaged audience takes time. Like and subscribe our channel for more info.